I welcome today with a spirit of gratitude. I am grateful for the air that is filling my lungs. I am grateful for the heart that pumps blood through my body. I am grateful for the heart to forgive even those who come and never will apologize.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Get Lit with Shay Chow. No, hey, y'all. We on our way to check a few Gumball machines. I'm gonna check my locations. So for the new location, we got a Gumball machine at another barbecue restaurant. It's a barbecue restaurant and seafood. This machine been at this location for 2 weeks. So yeah, we're about to check on that. So before we get right into this video, deep into this video, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, welcome back to the newcomers and the old comers. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free, y'all. Okay, so I don't want y'all to miss any of my uploads. Alright, because y'all might be missing out on something. So but anyways, I got some blow pops in here because I don't know all they need. Some of my locations don't need a lot of can of gumballs, but this video is going to be more of a collection video. So yeah, we on our way to our first location. This is a barbecue restaurant, and also we might try their food while we there. Y'all want me to do a mukbang? Cause I ain't never tried their food before. So I ain't never tried their food before. So we might do a little lunch. Cause I really didn't eat breakfast. Y'all know I really don't eat breakfast. But we're gonna try their food. See how they taste. Cause I told them I will be back to try their food. So while we out, I'm gonna treat myself a little bit today. You know, cause I'm gonna be at some locations today, checking machines, so I need to eat me something. But anyways, we'll be right back. We are here. That's the restaurant. Alright, y'all. We are at Front Porch Barbecue Restaurant. This is a new location. Low pop bubblegum. They said they spitting it out because they said it's hard. So alright, y'all. We got a complaint. They said the customers are throwing the blow pop bubblegum everywhere. They're spitting it out. They said the peanut M&Ms is falling everywhere. That's because they're not catching it. So we're gonna see how much it's in here. We're gonna check it. Okay. Got some quarters down up in there. Got some quarters here. Machine back on now. We got another machine here. This is the peanut M&Ms. We got some quarters down up in here. Okay. Y'all, we're gonna lock it back. I left my number. She said the owner might contact me. They out of town, so we're probably gonna try the other products. But somebody been using the hell out these blow pop. But they said they get a lot of older people here, and they said the gum is hard. It's supposed to be hard, like it got the crush inside. So they said they spitting the gum out, throwing it everywhere. Machine down. So I'm gonna give me something to eat while I'm here, y'all. So hopefully the owner could tell me what they wanna do. So hopefully they let me keep the machine in here and put something else in here. They suggest if they want anything else in the machine. Alright, y'all, we at Walmart. Well, I had to stop by Walmart to pick up a bag of M&Ms for one of the location. Alright, y'all, we at Walmart. Alright, y'all, we on the candy aisle. We are about to see they got some Reese's Pieces. Y'all, like I'm pretty lucky. We're gonna get just one bag for location. Well, we're gonna get two just in case. So these are $13.24. They 39.6 per ounce. So we do a half a ounce per VIN. Okay. So we got two bags of the M&Ms, and we got one bag of Reese's Pieces for one of the location. But yeah, so we're at Walmart. This is the candy aisle. I always get one of the location, like the Reese's Pieces. They got the small bag, but if you got a bigger machine, go with the bigger bag. Okay. But yeah, this is the candy aisle, y'all. And they have a couple bags of the peanut M&Ms, but I don't need that many. Y'all, we at one of the locations or tie shop. Hello, checking the machine. Right, checking the we got enough Skittles. y'all, we at Wars Transmission. Y'all, we're at Letha's Barbecue Restaurant. Alright, y'all. Candy lady in the building. I'm doing all right. I came to check by on the machine. How's everything? Okay. Alright, y'all. I was talking to the manager about the candy machine. So the blow pop is doing better than the peanut M&Ms. So yeah, y'all, we got to do something about this. So we're gonna change the candy out and probably put some Mike and Ike's in there, kind of switch it out. So we'll see how that goes. All these quarters. Oh yeah, there's a penny in there. I think I'm not made too much peanut M&Ms, so when we come back next time, y'all, we're gonna switch out the peanut M&Ms to Mike and Ike's. Yeah, that's $2. Low spot.